Hello, I'm Jarod, one of the campus missionaries here in Victory, Parañaque. I was also a product of campus ministry, specifically in PATS, since 2017. Magulo pa buhay ko noon. I joined the fraternity, basagolero, puro bisyo, barkada. Okay na ako sa grades na pasangawa. Di ko rin alam magiging itsura ng future ko noon. Kasi ayoko sa course ko at kala ko doon na lang iikot yung mundo ko. But when I got connected sa ENC, doon ko na-discover yung purpose ko sa buhay. Yung purpose ko as a student, bilang isang anak, yun yung calling ko sa campus na to, na to honor God in everything I do and to make disciples, lalo na sa campus na to. Even when I graduated, I still had the burden. Mga students na kailangan si Jesus sa buhay nila. Mga katulad kong akala doon na lang ikot yung buhay nila. As I continue to disciple students, that's when I met Kian, currently a grade 11 student of PNHS.
Hi, I am Kian Pangilinan, a grade 11 student from Parañaque National High School, Maine. I grew up with a broken family. Talagang lumaki ako without a father and also malayo ako sa ibang relatives ko. During the Brigada Eskwela 2022, doon ako na-reach ng church natin through the school kits na pinamimigay nila. That time, I wasn't really paying attention sa mga sinasabi nila. And then months later, I met Ate Seska. Then she invited me sa youth service, but I only say na, okay po, attend ako, pero hindi talaga ako attend. And then months later again, I was invited again to the youth service. Then umattend ako kasi naboboring ako. And then doon na ako na-invite nila, Ate Lai, to attend the Sunday service at SM Bikutan. And that time, doon na ako nag-start ma-connect sa serve team ministry natin dito sa Victory, Parañaque. At weeks later, na-meet ko na rin si Kuya Jarod, who helped me sa journey ko with God. But the biggest turning point talaga sa journey ko is nung post-campus conference na natin, which is doon ko na talaga naka-encounter si God, and also doon ko na na-realize na I should really rely on Him. I should really ask for strength for everything I do kasi hindi ko kayang gawin yung mga bagay-bagay without Him. No? So like, I am very thankful na nangyari sa akin yung bagay na yon because na-realize ko na, ay, kaya ko palang makumpleto. Kaya kong makumpleto yung sarili ko. Not because of my own doings, but because of God. Kasi yun nga, I feel incomplete before, but because of God, I really feel complete. Doon ko din na-realize na may mga tao din na nandyan para sa akin. Katulad na lang ng church community natin, sila Ate Seska and the other people pa. Doon ko rin na-realize na may mga tao pala akong mapag-relayan besides of my family and friends, which is makakatulong din sa akin para sa journey ko with God. That's why I am really hoping and praying na mas marami pang students sa PNHS Maine ang ma-disciple upang maramdaman din nila at maranasan kung ano yung mga naranasan ko dito sa church community natin and also sa journey ko with God.
As we continue to be a Christ-centered, Spirit-empowered, and socially responsible church with one foot in the campus and one foot in the community, we look forward to raising more godly men like Jarod who would love and disciple the next generation, and more young people like Kian who, when they understand their identity and purpose in Christ, would use their talents and their gifts things not just for self-gain, but to serve God and to serve His kingdom. Thank you for continuously changing the campus and changing the world with us.